Hey guys, brief video. It's snowing. This is today, actual. I don't know if you'll get this today or tomorrow, but unseasonable snow usually doesn't come till way later in the year. Anyway, snowing, they're saying ½ inch an hour, most of the day, all night, and then tomorrow. Now, a little update because, oh, by the way, this is a current video. The trailer build was last week. I'm just a little behind on videos because I've been working outside a lot, and I was also not able to, I was still recovering, so I did make some video footage, and I'll continue with that, the trailer build. But that was last week when I had a t-shirt on, and now this is now. The update, carport got demolished. Sorry, I'm holding the camera downwards away from the snow. The carport kiln got demolished by horrible, intense weather, and I'm very upset with this. I might take it back. I'm not pleased. The roof collapses and caves in under the lightest of any rain or snow, leaving everything to get absolutely annihilated. So I am working emergency fast to take all the wood that was protected. The sides got ripped off by, well, no, the sides, it was ripping apart, and I tore it down to save everything and to save the carport from damage. Anyway, winds were brutal last week. I ripped out the sides, and now we've got this snow blowing sideways and covering everything, everywhere. So I'm out just rushing. You can see the wagon wheels, tracks. I'm rushing to try to clear this out and get it on pallets under tarps. The inside here is melting as it hits for whatever reason, but you can see it's all wet, and the ground is even wet here. Well, you can see the snow is coming in all the way over and covering my fans. Okay, I'm not pleased. Covering the wood stove, which was supposed to be protected from the elements. You can see the snow coming in right now and blowing across to the other side. So, well, you can see the slush over there. I've been knocking the snow off the wood, so the snow is blowing right through this from one side to the other and making an absolute mess of things. This is annoying and useless. I'm going to put in a very negative report review on this. Absolutely useless. The flaps, the rain flaps, are actually allowing stuff to make a bowl and fill up even worse than without them. It is, and that's going to, of course, crush the poles and destroy the whole thing. Not good. I'm out here rushing through, and I just racked these. I'm probably going to drape the tarp over because, as you can see, the snow is coming at an angle. But I just racked 2 face cord to save it from the snow, put a tarp on it. That's folded in half. I think for today I'm going to drop it down because that's what it looks like unprotected. I'm going to empty this. That was green wood. I'm going to put the green wood under the carport, which is absolutely useless at this time. Take the wood that's in the carport that I've been drying for weeks and get it over here and tarp everything. So it's a bit of a nightmare here. Don't have a lot of time to record because I've got to save my work. So that's what's going on today. Just a brief update. I'm going to continue on with the rest of the trailer build video from previously following this, but I just wanted to share with you what's going on here and now. Brief update. Next day, I got 2 face cord racked here, covered. Got 1 face cord racked here, covered. Problem, a little bit of rain splash. The snow turned to rain. It's splashing down, getting up on the wood. Very bad. Here, the wood going to the end of the pallet, tarp overhang, working well. This is terrible. Same here, a little bit of splash, wood getting wet. So yesterday I experimentally started working on A-frames. It got really uncomfortable and wet out here, so progress was slow. I'm going to try to finish these today and put the tarp up over the A-frame and have an overhang a foot past the bottom of the pallet and see if that'll help. So experiment. I'm just doing 2 pieces for now, 1 roof as an experiment off camera. If it works out, I will finish the rest on camera. The Shelter Logic carport from Tractor Supply is a temporary shelter, not meant for meant for permanent structures. That's fine, understandable, but I wanted it to keep rain off my head when I am working, and it creates pools of rain in the roof, which of course bows it down, which creates more pools of rain collection, and an absolute nightmare. And the only way to get that out is to push on it or pull on it, and you get showered every time. So the idea of working in a sheltered area with no rain is a failure with this thing. I am not at all pleased or happy, and the stretchy holders that hold it on allow it to fill up even better. Just wonderful. Yeah, anyway, so it's bowing the frame. It cannot handle rain at all, and it is failing miserably. This is just not a good construction, not at all. So I've got to work on something else for that. So I'm emptying out. We still have this outside face and a little bit inside to get out. I'm emptying everything out of here, and it's not a rain shelter at all. I don't know what you would want to buy a temporary shelter for if it's not going to work in the rain. So it's more work than it's worth. Anyway, that's it. I'll get this video up to you guys, and this is this morning. I don't know how long it'll take for the internet to load this up, but there is what I still have to do.